Today we're out here on the Bluestone National Scenic River. We're here with an amazing AmeriCorps crew. We're doing something pretty fun. We're collecting pawpaws. So oftentimes considered an Appalachian banana or an Appalachian mango because that's what they really taste like. It's a mixture between a banana and mango. There was something that was often harvested and foraged in the past. Definitely a staple food for a lot of people who lived in the mountains. But what we're doing it for is for some native seed collection. In the park, there can be areas where there's resource damage to some of these areas we really want to protect. And pawpaw trees are an excellent species to restore some of these native habitats. For one, they have these amazing fruit. It's great food for wildlife, but also pawpaws can grow in full shade, but then they can also grow in full sunlight. Oftentimes trees just grow in full shade or full sunlight, but since pawpaws can do both, it's a great tree for restoration. So we're going to take these pawpaws, we're going to collect the seeds out of them, and then they're going to go to the state nursery in West Virginia, and then they'll grow them into bee trees, and then we can buy those trees back, and we're going to be able to plant those throughout the park whenever they're needed.
Come on! Do a circle. Keep the circle going. Oh, see? Oh, there we go. You got two. You gotta get the big one.
I probably want to get home. Ooh, I never had a pawpaw pie. The triple P, triple threat.